Here we have a raised ranch with a vaulted ceiling in the living room. From the attic, there's no access to the side of the house. And as you can see, there's no indication of any kind of moisture or any moisture stains or anything like that. That's the reason we have the thermal imaging camera. This way we can check what's kind of going on. You can see the insulation is kind of sparse there, which is typical for a gable wall. The insulation may be pulling back a little bit, allowing the heat to get in on the top side. And there's the heat from the ceiling fan, and then you come over here and you got a big hole where some insulation is missing right at the above the fireplace. And you've also got some insulation missing right there at the fireplace. Then you come into the kitchen, again, same thing. Has a vaulted ceiling, no access to the top side. And you can see there's no indications of any kind of water stains anywhere going on. But when you bring the thermal camera out and you put that up and you go little light there, which is typical, but then you come right up over the kitchen sink and it's got a big amount missing of insulation. And a little bit right there, again, where on the gable wall where the insulation is pulling away from the wall at the top and allowing the heat to get in.